In the annals of aviation history, some aircraft transcend their physical forms to become symbols of innovation, their impact echoing through generations of aerospace development. The U.S. X-44 Manta, though never built, is one such phantom. Conceived in the late 1990s, the X-44 represented a radical departure from conventional fighter jet design, a daring leap into the uncharted territory of tailless stealth aircraft. While the program itself remained shrouded in secrecy, ultimately failing to materialize into a tangible flying prototype, its legacy reverberates today, its DNA discernible in the cutting-edge fighters currently taking shape on classified design boards. This essay will delve into the history and significance of the X-44 Manta program, exploring its design features, technological advancements, and planned capabilities. We will examine how the X-44's audacious concepts, though unrealized in its time, have cast a long shadow, influencing the development of modern stealth fighters, particularly the enigmatic F-47, and shaping the trajectory of the next-generation air dominance (NGAD) program. The story of the X-44 begins not with a roar of engines but with the whisper of an idea, a concept sketching out a future where stealth and maneuverability would reign supreme. It is a tale of ambition, of pushing the boundaries of what was considered aerodynamically possible, and of the enduring allure of the tailless design in the relentless pursuit of aerial superiority. Join us as we unravel the mystery of the X-44 Manta, a ghost of future fighters that continues to haunt the cutting edge of military aviation. The genesis of the X-44 Manta program can be traced back to the late 1990s, a time when the U.S. Air Force was reveling in the prowess of its newest acquisition, the F-22 Raptor. The Raptor, with its stealth capabilities and unparalleled maneuverability, had redefined the concept of air dominance. Yet even as this technological marvel took to the skies, a small group of engineers and visionaries at Lockheed Martin were already looking beyond the horizon, envisioning a fighter that would surpass even the Raptor's formidable capabilities. This ambition led to the birth of the X-44 Manta concept. The X-44 was conceived as a technology demonstrator, a platform to test the feasibility of a radical new design philosophy. It was to be a tailless aircraft, a departure from the conventional tailplane configuration that had defined fighter jets since their inception. This unconventional design choice was driven by the pursuit of enhanced stealth. By eliminating the vertical and horizontal stabilizers that make up a traditional tail, the X-44 aimed to drastically reduce its radar cross-section, making it significantly more difficult for enemy radars to detect. This, coupled with the use of advanced composite materials and radar-absorbent coatings, promised to make the Manta a true ghost in the skies, capable of penetrating heavily defended airspace undetected. The X-44's design, though revolutionary, bore a distinct resemblance to its predecessor, the F-22. Both aircraft shared a similar, almost predatory profile, characterized by sharp angular lines and a blended wing-body design. This was no coincidence. The X-44 was envisioned as a derivative of the F-22, leveraging the proven aerodynamics and systems of the Raptor, while incorporating radical new design elements to achieve a significant leap in capability. The Manta was to be powered by a pair of advanced turbofan engines, potentially an evolution of the F-22's Pratt & Whitney F-119 engines, providing the necessary thrust to propel the aircraft to supersonic speeds. However, the X-44 was not merely an exercise in stealth optimization. It also aimed to explore the potential of thrust vectoring for enhanced maneuverability. This technology, already demonstrated in the F-22, allows the aircraft to direct its engine exhaust in different directions, effectively allowing it to maneuver with greater agility and precision. In the X-44, thrust vectoring was expected to play an even more crucial role, compensating for the lack of traditional control surfaces and enabling the aircraft to perform maneuvers that would be impossible for conventional fighter jets. At the heart of the X-44 Manta's design lay a radical concept: the elimination of the tail. This shift challenged long-held assumptions about stability and control. The tailless design offered stealth advantages but posed engineering challenges. Advanced fly-by-wire systems and thrust vectoring replaced traditional control surfaces. This technology was crucial for stability and maneuverability. The tailless design also enhanced the aircraft's stealth profile. However, it could lead to stability issues at high angles of attack. the X-44 used a delta wing design to maintain stability. Delta wings are more stable at high angles of attack. Now let's talk about thrust vectoring and its significance in the quest for unparalleled maneuverability. Thrust vectoring allows the X-44 Manta II to change the direction of its thrust, enabling sharper turns and more agile movements. This technology is crucial for maintaining superiority in dogfights and other combat scenarios. By vectoring its thrust, the Manta II can execute maneuvers that are simply impossible for traditional aircraft. It's a game-changer in aerial combat. The roots of the tailless design can be traced back to early experimental aircraft. Engineers have long been fascinated by the potential benefits of removing the tail. Without a tail, the aircraft experiences less drag, resulting in improved fuel efficiency and higher speeds. The X-44 Manta II takes this concept to the next level. By integrating advanced flight control systems, it compensates for the stability typically provided by a tail, achieving a sleek and efficient design. The X-44 Manta II is not just a marvel of modern engineering, it represents the future of air dominance. With its combination of stealth, speed, and agility, it sets a new standard for what a fighter aircraft can achieve. The innovations seen in the Manta II are likely to influence the design of future military aircraft for decades to come. As we look ahead, it's clear that the principles embodied by the Manta II will shape the strategies and technologies of aerial combat. The enduring influence of the X-44 Manta II is evident in its impact on both military strategy and aircraft design. As a phantom fighter, it blends cutting-edge technology with lessons learned from previous generations of aircraft. The Manta II has set a benchmark that future designs will aspire to surpass. Its legacy will be felt not just in the skies, but in the continued pursuit of innovation and excellence in aviation. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless quest for progress.